Hi friends, this video shows how to enable full screen display. So here we can see buttons. I am going to disable these buttons and enable full screen display. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go to display, go down, select navigation bar. Here we can see buttons. Right now I am using button navigation. I am going to enable swipe gestures. Tap here. You can see the demo how to use swipe gestures. Tap here. You can see buttons are removed from the bottom. See, this way we can enable full screen display. So if you want to disable this full screen display and go back to button navigation, again go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go to display, go down, select navigation bar, then enable buttons here. See, now we can see the buttons. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.